I'm here with Al, my good friend and our director of sales for Mercury floor machines, and today we're going to be looking at the high-speed burnisher line from Mercury. We've got the 1170, the 1500 shown here, and our 2000 RPM machines. You'll notice the 2000 has the wheel on the front for greater stability and to keep a level load at that high speed. Al, tell us about them. What makes them so special?
Well, the look alone makes them special. They're longer, which gives them a better balance. I think you can speak to that on your application.
Yeah, that long wheelbase, much like an automobile. If you're going to be cornering and doing a bunch of fast maneuvering, you want a short wheelbase. A high-speed burnisher is made to go in a straight line, and for that you really want a longer, more stable, drawn-out body. I would tell you that this is about as good as it gets, and the balance and the stability is second to none. I didn't mean to interrupt. Please go ahead, Al.
Not a problem. The look itself is because it's an aluminum, highly polished housing. It gives it the right amount of weight that you need to do the job right. Mm-hmm. It makes it more durable, a long-lasting. I mean, this is an investment for you. It should last, and that's the big part about it. I think we should start at the top of the machine and kind of work our way down. We have some great safety features. It's UL approved, like all our machines are, and you have to, before you engage, you have to actually, there you go, you have to hit the switch, and then these are non-conductive grips. And triggers. Our grips are actually a little bit longer than the competitors. So this yellow amount here shows on each side how much longer we are, and that gives you a little bit more stability and control of the machine when you're out working. Work our way down to the cable.
Most people have cords.
We have cables. It's more than likely the one piece of the machine that you're going to damage. You're eventually going to run over it, somebody's going to pull on it wrong, and it's inevitable. So we have as heavy a cable as we can put on there, giving you more durability, more longevity, and it safety yellow, so it works out really well. Coming down, we have a nice, easy to adjust, absolutely, and works really nicely so you can adjust the machine to the height that you need, that's comfortable for you and whoever the user is. Coming into the motor, the heart of the machine, it's an Imperial 1.5 horse. On this particular machine, it's a 1500 RPM. Like you mentioned, we have an 1170 and a 2000 RPM as well. They're belt-driven machines, so they're very quiet, very smooth.
Yeah, we actually refer to it as hospital quiet. Very, very quiet. Non-marring wheels, right?
Non-marring wheels, absolutely.
And I noticed the way this is set up, it's really built for ease of travel. When you're moving from one area to the next, you'll notice it's got a back set of wheels as well for transportation. So the machine cocks up, and again, because of the wide wheelbase, it's really easy to travel.
Absolutely. It's a well thought out machine. We've been building them for a long time, been building them right. So the little details really show in something like this.
Now, I know we talked about it before, and I think it merits acknowledgement. When you look at what could go wrong with a machine like this, we told the story before where we've had 5 motors come back in our entire line in 29 years. So basically the only thing we talked about is where your operator might accidentally run over and cut the cord. If that's the case, there's 2 bolts on the back of this machine. You pull them, you call the heart of the house, you'll get a person, not a machine. And we'll put a handle in a box for you, send it UPS or FedEx anywhere in the country within 24 hours. So if there's an issue for you, we'll make it right overnight. Carefully open the box, put your handle in, and send it back to us. If for any reason the machine wouldn't start, and we pride ourselves on never having had this happen, we've got a great opportunity to be able to self-diagnose and self-correct. Al, can you show the pigtail here?
Sure. It's an easy, quick disconnect pigtail. And what you simply do is you lay the machine back completely so that your pads and your pad drive are off the ground. And what you want to do is take an extension cord and plug the motor into the extension cord. If the pad spins, you know it's not the motor.
And 9 out of 10 times, it is something to do with the cord or the handle in a floor machine like this. So Basically, it's as simple as that, and is backed by the best warranty on the planet. And in terms of availability, when an order hits the floor, it's out the door in 24. So, definitely, in my experience, superior balance and just terrific performance with hospital quietness. So.
One quick thing, Bill, is we also have a private brand program. So we can brand the machine up here for you or your customers. We can customize the color of the cable, the grips, the bumpers, and we'll even interchange. You know, we have some people that have a couple different color bumpers on the machine. So
sure, works to whatever culture and brand image you want to produce.
Absolutely.
And I think when people like what they have and they value it, they tend to take care of it. So the private branding is a great program and very popular with our group.
Yeah.
Well, thanks, Al.
Thank you.
Appreciate it.